Lab 3. Here we are learning about Central Authentication Server, which is a single sign-on protocol. Here the client only registers itself for one on the server and then it can continue using it without giving its credentials. So for that we are considering two consoles, the CAS and the web server, where CAS acts as the server and the web server acts as a client. CAS CAS, here we are setting up the server by installing Tomcat and then generating the key. Then we are downloading the JASIC CAS server and then making the required setup. Then updating the IP tables, where we specify the forward port from 443 to port 8443. Executing the script. Setting up the key by specifying the required values. So now we have set up. This is a server XML file. Here we specify the connector port by giving the path and the password, path of the key, like this, processing the protocol SS threads client auth. Moving the file, then downloading jasic.org. So the download is completed, then we unzip it. So now the CAS server is set up. So checking the CAS server on the browser. So here now we register the user by giving the user ID password CAS user. Login successful. Now we have registered. Now we install the LDAP server on the CAS server. For that we use this apt-get install, uninstall all the utilities, reconfiguring, testing, then searching using LDAP search. This will give a result to make sure that LDAP is working. Then we populate the directory tree by creating a file entry.ldif. Then we import that LDI file by first stopping and then starting, and then after importing then starting the service again. The importing is done by slapadd command, and then we run this LDAP search to check whether the file is imported or not. So LDAP is installed. Now it is reconfiguring. We give a strong password for the administrator. We can give any database. Yes. Move all data. This is our entry.ldif file. Here we have created the entry. So yeah, this is working as this gives the required output. So LDAP is installed. Now we set up our client. For that we have to install Apache, MySQL, PHP and PHP CAS on our client. So here we are installing Apache. Now we edit the httpd.configuration file and just write server name.localhost on it. Now let's check if our Apache has been installed by opening our server IP. So here the Apache has been installed. Now we install MySQL. Then after installation we check the status to confirm the installation. Then we log in by giving a user ID and strong password, and then we install PHP. So SQL has been installed as the status says. Now I'm giving a strong password, which I will give it again. So now it says that MySQL has been installed. Now PHP. So until it installs. So PHP has been installed. So setting PHP 5 MySQL, setting PHP 5. On our client we create a PHP info file in the var directory. Now we restart our Apache. We open our PHP info file on the browser. So here it tells about the version of and all the details about the PHP and all the required files, the MySQL, Apache, which are also installed on this client. Now we have to test MySQL and PHP. For that we create a file dbtest.php, in which we just connect to the MySQL using the user ID and the password which I had given using the MySQL installation, and this is written in PHP. So if it works, then this confirms that we've installed MySQL and PHP. So we open dbtest.php on the browser. So here it says connection established, that means MySQL has been installed correctly. Now to install the PHP CAS client, we first install Pure. The PHP Pure is then used to download and install the CAS client. So this command is used to download the CAS client. Now we've created a file called index.php. In that we've given the services that we want to use, the IP address and the port through which we will connect the CAS server. So this is the server IP and the server port. Now we open index.php on the browser. So we've opened the server. Now we give our credentials and log in. So here it says login successful. That means we have, as a client, we have logged into the server and we can use the services throughout